Min rifes artna l-ewwel darba f'dawn iż-żminijiet anke jekk pajjiżna ma joffrix muntanji bis-silġ. U minn tant Malta ġbitu li reġa' ġej fis-sajf biex iduq ftit mill-ħajja sajfija fi gżiritna. Dan l-istazzjon żar l-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta fejn tkellem uħud mit-turisti li kienu qed iħallu pajjiżna. Dawn tkellmu dwar l-esperjenzi u l-postijiet l-iktar li laqtuhom.
Island is very, very lovely, and the island is small, but we had such a lot of to discover, and it was really, really nice.
It was a great pleasure to be in Malta. Yesterday we visited Gozo, and we're still very impressed about this island.
We visit Valletta, then Silema, Medina and Gozo.
Malta was, from our opinion, really pretty good. All was in function, the feed good, and the water, the outside, the travels, the different churches and so on, and Gozo, yeah, really pretty good. So.
In-nefqa ta' turisti wkoll interessatna u staqsejnihom kif iħarsu lejn in-nefqa tagħhom hawn Malta.
Yes, definitely. It is not that expensive.
Yes, definitely.
Malta was a great value for our money. We thought it could be a bit more expensive sometimes, but it was normally too cheap.
Intant matul is-sena li għaddiet, l-Ajruport Internazzjonali ta' Malta laqa' 7 miljun passiġġier, ċifra li mhix ċajta u li kollox jindika li se tkompli tikber anke billi aktar turisti li kellhom esperjenza pożittiva f'pajjiżna qed jirrakkomandaw lil Malta bħala destinazzjoni ta' mistrieħ u fejn wieħed jista' jagħmel btala sabiħa.
Yes, definitely. Well, we always tell our friends how great it was, and then yes, definitely.
Yes, of course, yes. Yes, of course.
We are so sad to fly
to
back.
now,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I can recommend it. It was very nice.
Yeah, of course. I already read in some German newspapers that Malta will be the holiday destination #1 for this year, and that's also my thought.
Yes. I can tell them, and I send a lot of pictures to them to give a motivation to use Malta for their next vacancies or holidays.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.